how to make soap when the world has ended. And more importantly, why you'll need it. Because out here, the only thing dirtier than your hands is your conscience. The cities are ash. The rivers taste like rust. And every handshake is basically an infection lottery. Forget bullets. Germs will kill you faster than raiders. Soap isn't luxury anymore. It's armor. And today, you're gonna cook up some chemistry in the apocalypse kitchen. Start by hunting the ghosts of old fires. Ash isn't trash anymore. It's your science kit. Pour water through that gray dust and you get lye. Caustic, vicious, eats through skin if you're dumb enough to touch it raw. Congratulations, you just unlocked medieval chemistry. Now, fat. Yeah. Animal fat, human fat, don't ask where it came from. Out here, fat is just fuel. Melt it down in whatever busted pot you haven't pawned for ammo. This is survival stew, minus the seasoning. Then, marry your monsters. Lye meets fat, they